Step length 4 feet, step width 10 inches, landing width 4 feet 0.5 inches. Change axis directions from coordinates panel, choose front. Using line command, draw vertical line 6 inches, horizontal line 10 inches. Using copy command, make copies. We got steps. Now landing. Using line command, draw vertical line 6 inches, horizontal line 4 feet 0.5 inches. Offset the line by 6 inches. Draw inclined line and make an offset of 6 inches and delete the line. Extend the lines. Trim the lines. Now join the lines. Extrude lines by 4 feet. Using line command, draw a line on side face of the step. Press pull the landing by 4 feet. Using 3D mirror command, mirror the stair. Using move command, move the stair onto the landing. Using presspull command, remove the landing on second flight of the stair. Using union command, join the two flights. Using move command, move the staircase onto the location in the plan. Change axis directions from coordinates panel, choose world. Draw cylinder on step, radius 2 inches, height 3 feet. Copy cylinder pole onto every step. Using spline command, click in every cylindrical top centers and draw the path. Draw a circle with the radius of 1 inch. Select sweep command, select circle, enter and click on path. Using union command, union all the poles. Mirror the railing to other side. Using 3D mirror command, once again mirror the railing. Move it on to second flight. Take base point as cylinder center point and click on step midpoint. Once again move it inside by 3 inches. Using spline command, draw the path by clicking cylinder top centers and draw a circle of 1 inch radius and use the sweep command. Click on the path. Union the railings. Now let's apply materials. Go to visualize tab, select materials command, drag a material and drop it on the steps. Go to metal category, drag it onto railing. Using polysolid command, draw a wall at mid landing with the width of 6 inches and a height of 3 feet and justify left. Now apply materials. Go to stone category, select the type of stone required and drag and drop it on the wall.